Welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a close look at the 2026 Honda XR100, a legendary small displacement bike that continues to define simplicity, reliability, and pure riding fun for a new generation of riders. Classic design, modern touch. The 2026 Honda XR100 stays true to its timeless off-road design. Lightweight proportions, high ground clearance, and rugged bodywork make it instantly recognizable. Subtle updates in materials and finish give it a fresh feel while keeping the classic XR identity intact. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XR100 is a smooth and dependable four-stroke engine tuned for easy power delivery. It's not about speed, it's about control. The predictable throttle response makes this bike perfect for beginners, trail learners, and riders who want stress-free riding on dirt. Ride and handling. The XR100's lightweight frame and balanced suspension setup make it incredibly easy to handle. It feels confident on trails, gravel paths, and open dirt fields. The upright riding position and manageable seat height help riders stay comfortable and in control at all times. Durability and maintenance. Honda's reputation for durability shines here. The XR100 is built to take abuse and keep going with minimal maintenance. Simple mechanics and proven engineering make it a bike that lasts for years, even with regular use. Who is it for? The 2026 Honda XR100 is ideal for beginners, young riders stepping up from smaller bikes, or anyone looking for a reliable trail companion. It's a perfect introduction to off-road riding without intimidation. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda XR100 proves that great bikes don't need to be complicated. With its reliability, ease of use, and timeless appeal, it remains one of the most approachable and enjoyable dirt bikes available today.